back to another video. In today's video, as you know by the title, we are going to be reviewing the Blackmoon Hair. I'm super excited because this company actually sent me this wig to review for you guys. And yeah, I'm excited. So if you're excited, make sure that you are subscribed down below before this video gets started. Come join the family. Okay. So if you would like to see this review, please make sure that you keep watching. It didn't take long to come in the mail, and this is what their packaging looks like. So I'm a very big package person. Like when I see like a package, I'll buy it if it's like cute, like that can get me to buy it. This maybe they'll be fixing this in the future because it really doesn't have like their logo on here. Like nowhere does it say Blackmoon or anything. So I hope that they get better packaging because it also came like all like busted up. But that's okay because I'm not going to be wearing the box. I'm going to be wearing the wig. So let's open. So this is what inside the box looks like. So inside they sent me these little makeup brushes, 2 wig caps, and then we have the wig. Now this is really all we care about anyways. So it comes in this bag. Today I will be reviewing the 4x4 body wave hair, and this is in a 20-inch. So I got this one a little bit longer. If you saw any of my other wig videos, which I will have up in the cards for you, but if you saw any of my other wig videos, you know that wig was at 18 and that was like already long on me. I'm 5'5", but today I'm like, sis, just be a little extra, like, cause I can. So I got this 20-inch, and this is what she looks like right out of the bag. She looks good. Okay. At the top you can see that it is 4x4, so that means 4 across and 4 to the back. I do prefer 6x6s because I do feel like they look really natural. Like, but straight out, this hair is super soft. Now it doesn't look like 20 inches. Is this 20 inches? Maybe because it's body wave, it's not looking like 20 inches to me. It's kind of looking shorter. So y'all, I just measured this hair and it is in fact 20 inches. It's actually a little bit longer than 20 inches. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. And again, this is Blackmoon Hair. And I will have all their links down below. So if you like this wig, make sure you go down there, click that link. Alright, so I'm about to go prep my hair, put it back, and we will be back to install this wig. Y'all, I would do the ball cap method, but it's like past 7 at night right now, and yeah, I don't sleep in my wigs, so I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Let's go ahead and put this wig on. I forgot to show, down here at the bottom you do have a clip, then you do have 2 clips on the side, and then there is the little adjustable band here at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of plucking up here on the hairline. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this part in the video because, like I said, I'm not a professional plucker. I just be plucking, okay? Okay. So I have plucked the hairline just a little bit, nothing too much. Maybe tomorrow I'll pluck it more, but I'm gonna go ahead and just brush this hair out. Y'all, I am so surprised at how soft this hair is. Like, this is soft. It's really soft. And this body wave is beautiful. So I do want to mention, when I first opened it, the hair did have a smell. But I've had this hair since Tuesday. It's now Saturday, and now it doesn't seem like it has a smell. So I don't know if it like aired out because it's just been sitting on the table. But it was not like a bad smell. Like, it didn't smell like fish. Like, it just smelled like hair. Like, you know, sometimes you get hair and it kind of smells like hair. That's what it smelled like. So I just want to throw that in there. But now, like, it's fine. Like, I didn't even notice. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace on this unit. And as you know, the trick to cutting lace is you don't want to cut straight across, because it just makes like a noticeable line. So you want it to be all crooked and like, oh, you really can't notice it. Okay, so as y'all know, I'm about to go in with my Got To Be spray and just blow dry this. Spray it and blow dry. So I had contacted the company before this video, and I actually wanted to color this wig for this video, but they wanted it in its natural state, which I'm not mad at. But I don't know if I want to dye it copper or like a maroon color, because fall is coming up, or leave it in this. So let me know down below. Would you dye this hair copper, maroon, or just leave it how it is? Let me know, and I might make a video on it. But right now, I'm really feeling the black. Like, this is pretty. So I'm gonna be using any mousse. This is the milk and honey mousse, but yeah, that's just because I ran out of mousse basically. So I'm just gonna be using this one and smoothing it on top. So I got my hot comb here, and it is hot. I do want to mention that although this company sent me this hair, my review will always be honest. Yeah, I'm just like you guys. Like, I buy all of my stuff. This is literally the first company to send me hair. And yeah, like, I'm an honest consumer. You know what I'm saying? I want to get stuff and I want it to be good quality. And if I'm going to recommend it to y'all, I want it to be good quality. So this is the final result with this 4x4 20-inch. I do want to give you guys my last review on this hair. So firstly, let's start with packaging. As I said, hopefully down the line they do upgrade their packaging, because it would be nice to have like something like branded for them, and also just like better packaging. Like, it just came really beat up, and I mean, that's not their fault, but that type of stuff does happen coming through the mail. So yeah, so maybe some cuter packaging, because I love packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. Next, this hair, it is extremely soft. Like I said, I've been saying the whole video, like, it's so soft. I've been running my fingers through it, and I haven't got like any shedding besides like the 2 strands that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. But other than that, this hair is... Now, if you guys would like to see an update on this, like always, make sure that you comment that down below, because if you don't, I might not do it. So this hair is extremely soft. The length is getting me, y'all, because my last wig was an 18-inch, and like, it goes below my boob. So this one being all the way up here, like, it just isn't screaming 20 inches to me. Although when I measured it, it said 20 inches. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. What do you... But when I stretch it out, it does go down there. So from top to bottom, this is 20 inches. And as you can see, it's actually a little bit longer than 20 inches. Yeah, this hair is extremely pretty. I want to show you guys up close how it looks. There's not a lot of, like, you know when you get hair there'd be like a lot of different colors. There's actually not a lot of different colors. This is cute, and y'all know when I be putting my wigs on, I be feeling like a whole nother woman, and this one got me feeling myself. And again, I do want to thank Blue Moon for sending me this hair, because you got me feeling myself. Like, thank you so much for sending this hair. So let's look at the back. This is how it looks from the back. Y'all, this hair is affordable. Like, this is a 20-inch. I think it was only like $112. Don't quote me though, because I'm gonna have it down below for you guys. But y'all, this hair is so affordable. Y'all, for some long hair, it was only like $150 for some inches, okay? Like, for some inches. So I'm just saying, if y'all want some good affordable hair, this is it. This hair is just quality to me. Like, looks good. And this is just some good hair, y'all. This is some good hair. So if you, like I said, if you're looking for some affordable hair and some good hair, y'all need to be trying this hair, okay? Because this, like, who do I look like right now? Like, I feel like all my wigs kind of have a name, and this one, I don't know. Like, I kind of feel like Aaliyah. Like, so if you guys like this video, please make sure that you subscribe down below. Please subscribe, because we are almost to another 100. We are almost to my next goal. So, period. Thank you guys who have been subscribing. As usual, thank you. I appreciate y'all. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys. Bye. Y'all, I'm sitting here just thinking how cute I look and how cute I'm about to be at 9 at night going to get some Chick-fil-A. Like, I'm gonna be so cute at Chick-fil-A. Like,